Now, these are a current hot trend, aren't they? These are from Exploded Sweets. We have freeze-dried sweet explosions, as by the explosion all the sweets going off out from here. Fruity. What we got here is basically Skittles that have been freeze-dried. Or Skittle-like sweets that have been freeze-dried, because they also had sour, which was strangely green. So should we open them? I think we should. And yeah, they're halal and vegan. So this was a teeny tiny little bag. I'm not sure about why. Didn't know what the price was, and you've just seen the price. It seems a fair bit, so I just need to open these. So that's inside the packet. There it is. See if we can focus. There you go. That's what it looks like inside. And they have indeed exploded, and they smell very much like the aforementioned Skittles. So we need to grab one. I haven't seen any S's, so they're definitely a sweet like them, but that's what one looks like. There's a yellow one, and there's a, where is it? There they are. We're going to try. All crunch. And dust. So I like the flavour. The flavour's nice, but then again I like Skittle-like sweets. So it's bound to happen. Crunchy, it's weird. It's alright. It's just a bit weird. Didn't quite expect them to be crunchy. Well, knew they'd be crunchy, but it's kind of odd. I'm used to them being chewy and stuff. It's definitely something to try, and they had other ones, but yeah, definitely something to try. That's the main thing. That's the main takeaway with these freeze-dried sweets, is it is something to try. It's a whole different way of getting to try something you're familiar with, but it's exploded. And that's all I've got to say. And do let me know in the comments if you tried any of the other ones, because they had other ones. Thanks for watching. Please do follow, like, share, subscribe. And I'm trying not to cough. Bye-bye.